How to fix Blox Fruit can't join. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the can't join Blox Fruit issue. So it's a quick and easy process, so follow along. I'll present several solutions to fix any problems you're having joining a Blox Fruit server. Whether you're tapping to play and loading into a random server or trying to join friends in a private server. So if you're trying to join a private server, ensure that the person you're trying to join is in your friend list. Visit the private server of the Blox Fruits, scroll all the way down, then tap on servers, and here you can go ahead and create a new private server or simply search for the servers that your friends are on, or you can go ahead and select other servers as well. So visit the private server for Blox Fruits and you will see servers my friends are in category where you can join them as long as their server is open and not full. If a server is full, you'll get a notification that you're in a line and you simply have to wait. So if you're trying to join a random Blox Fruit server and are having trouble on PC, console, or mobile, close any unused applications. For example, if you have Honkai, YouTube, Minecraft running in the background, they're using resources that could be used for Blox Fruits. So closing them will focus on your device memory and performance on Roblox, allowing you to join without a lag. Lastly, check if your storage is full. So sometimes you need to download additional data to join, and if you don't have space for the necessary files, models, materials, and textures, you won't be allowed in. So if your storage is almost full, delete some apps and games. With all this done, you should be able to join without problems, as long as you have the latest version of Roblox and you're signed in. So I hope this helped you fix can't join Blox Fruits issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching.